Oo nga pala, no? Kalimutan ko na lang ito. Oo, kalimutan ko pa yung topic pala.
Alright, video vlog check everybody. Azael here. On my hand is the Honor X8C from Honor Philippines. So today is the media event. Ito, we're here sa Hydro Resto Bar in Quezon City. Ngayon yung kanyang media event and I'll be vlogging whatever's happening inside the event. Malalaman din natin yung SRP nito at saka yung mga tech specs ng Honor X8C. So may birthday.
Ilang taon na?
And here's the Honor X8C. Actually hindi akin to, kay Alan to, kasi hiniram ko. Kasi yung akin na iwan ko, nadala kong unit ngayong araw is Honor X8 X8B. 8B yung nakuha ko, hindi 8C. So ito palang 8C, it's light green. Yung 8B, green na green. So nagkamali ako ng dampot nung isang araw. So ayan. So I'll be vlogging in a bit. At nasarado pa yung yung event dito. Ayan.
Ayun na po, ayun na.
As well as your candies and drinks from our servers tonight.
Right, logging in here sa Honor X8C Media Event at meron kaming mga challenges here. Kailangan namin mag-selfie with the photo booth area, kamukha na ito. Ayan, photo booth area. Ayan. At nakapag-challenge na ako, nakapag-shoot na ako. Nakatatlo na ako. Ayan, pakita ko yung mga pictures ko para nakita ninyo. Ayan, nakita nyo na. So next tayo dito, it's neon photo tayo. Walang hydro bar, puro tubig. May waterfalls pa. Okay, tapos ko na yung mga challenges. So, time to post all of my photo content. Check natin na ba meron dito. May pagkain na, pwede na kumain.
Ladies and gentlemen, we prepared exciting prizes for all of our attendees who will be joining the Honor X8C Photo Challenges.
Ayan.
So gear up and stay with us.
Yung mga entry pa, isa-isa lang post. Isa-isa yung post.
You can win cash prizes tonight. Please share your excitement by posting on your social media account with our hashtag. We have hashtag Honor.
restaurant of Hydro. And here's si Andre. Ayan. Oh, nakapag-register na. Oy, di ba galing sa'yo? Talaga. Oy, okay So, katibayan na. Ito, tapos na ako Thank you. Alright, I'm free. Pwede na kumain. Ito na
enjoy the fun as much as we're doing here. Just make sure to like and follow as we will be announcing the winners via the Facebook story right after our launch. Okay, next, share.
Good evening. It is me again, and it's so great to see all of you here tonight. Welcome to Honors Big Night, where innovation meets style.
Yun naman poster. Ayan, honor! Nasa honor kami! Honor to! Amaran like that Claudio. San honor! Nasa honor kami! Sino kaya mananalo ngayon? Oh, bagong dating! Bagong dating! Late ka na! Hoy! Late ka na! Walang yan. Si Edwin pala to. Ayan. Second winner na tayo. Sino mananalo? Yan! Yan ganyan ang ano. Yan ganyan dapat. Ayan na. Alam na. Sino yung next winner ha? Ayan. Yan yung next winner natin. Sino kaya?
Sino kaya?
Sino to? Si Carl! Oh! Sapatos na naman oh, si Larissa.
Garcia.
Grabe!
Oh! Lugo! Lugo! Pedra! Nanalo naman.
Winner
naman. Talaga yan. Palagi ba nalala to? Sino to? Kanina yan? Ah! Ah! Oh! 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 Luto! 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 Luto!
Harold Boy!
Si Harold na naman! Si Harold na naman! Wala na tayong Honor Magic, but meron naman tayong Honor Magic P3! Uy! Siyempre sa tapon! Gago ka! Oy, Ian! Oy, oy, oy! 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 Grabe! Galing, galing, galing! Andre yan! Andre! Ano ba ni-register ko? Aristides ba o?
Last letter of his... Yes.
Ay! 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 Ay!
Last letter of his surname ay A also.
Oh! Wala talo! Si Aaron?
Sana nandito na siya.
Wala na tayo! Hoy! Ah! Oh, video okay na. Solo si Alan. Okay, uwi na tayo, uwi na tayo.